Good morning, y'all. Happy Thursday. It's currently almost 8 o'clock. Who do we have on duty today? Rocky. Hey, Rocky, what's up, buddy? Let's see how everybody else is doing. Good morning, Larry. So I went to Tractor Supply yesterday and bought more bedding because, well, as you can see, their pen needs to be cleaned out. So that's on the agenda for this weekend. Are you guys all ready to come out? All right, one moment. Yes, ladies, yes. I left the top open so you can jump right in and have at it. Crazy girls. You ain't even supposed to be out here, mean girl. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, mean girl. Come on. Hello, good morning, my babies. Come on, mean girl. Let's go. No. Okay, where are you going? Food's in here. Come on. Come on. There you go. Good morning, Rudy. All right, ladies. I know I should have fed you first instead of putting the chicken or the goat. All right. Everybody relax. I'm coming. Where are you going? Get your butt back in here. I'm going to feed you right now. Hold on. Come on, girl. Here, chick, 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 chick. Here, chick, chick. Okay, good. Mean girls are in. All right. Everybody happy now? Huh? Everybody happy? Vulture. You're so pretty. Yeah. You guys, goat food. They don't care. All right. Ladies, go. One of you got the runs, so that probably means from the... Well, easy. Everybody relax. I'm coming. Hold on. Anyways, I was saying the chickens are probably getting diarrhea from eating the dang goat feed. Okay. Push. Larry. The way they run. Woo! What's up, Dottie? The way they run, you think I never feed them. Look at all that time I spent on Rocky. I'm about to come out here and defloof him again. Rocky? Oh, you don't want to be defloofed while you're eating. Okay. Morning, Gilbert. Oh, easy, buddy. Easy. Good morning, Mr. Larry. How are you today? Huh? Yeah, I know. You don't want to be bothered when you're eating either. I don't blame y'all. I'm going to go up and have myself some breakfast and finish my coffee. All right, y'all. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Beautiful here. Not a cloud in the sky. All right, y'all. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Remember, don't do anything I wouldn't. I'll talk to y'all later.